Jai Shri Gurudev. This is Dr. K.V. Mahendra Prashant, Professor and Head, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, SJPIT. Electronics and Communication Engineering is one of the fastest developing fields amongst various engineering courses. It is a popular stream of education which involves mathematical and theoretical knowledge, providing advanced technological solutions. This course encompasses fields such as analog and digital circuit designing, control systems, signal processing, VLSI design, image processing, Internet of Things, embedded systems, robotics, and many other fields. It covers a wide range of application, and in fact it is unable to think of our daily life without the elements of devices connecting with electronics and communication engineering. The department vision is empowering electronics and communication engineers to meet the advancements in technological and societal needs. To reach the vision, it is being facilitating students in acquiring proficiency and providing eminence in technical education. Imbibe value-based education that contributes to the human values, ethics and societal relevance, and encourage culture of innovation, industry and research. The department was established in the year 2001 and is approved by AICTE and permanently affiliated to Visvesvaraya Technological University and accredited by NAAC with A grade. The department offers undergraduate course with an intake of 120 and post-graduation course in VLSI and embedded system with an intake of 18 and is recognized as research center by VTU and creates a conducive and academic environment supported by highly qualified professors and committed technical staff. The department has received around 1.5 crores towards projects from various funding agencies. The students are consistently securing ranks at the university level, apart from several awards bringing laurels and recognition to the department from both the students and staffs as well. In order to encourage innovative practices and research activities, the department is associated with around 15 industries and established institutions with vibrant objectives. These includes National Instruments, Rexroth, Bosch, Intel, University of Agricultural Sciences, VA Solutions, etc. These centers in the department focuses on the skill and competencies development by hands-on approach to transfer technologies to the students. The department has provided excellent facilities to the students to facilitate the overall development of students in their 4 years stay in the campus. Classrooms are equipped with high-class digital amenities of LCD and Apple iPad, internet connections of 500 Mbps with Wi-Fi connectivity, provision for accommodating in-house internship with state-of-the-art facilities. Meritorious students are being awarded with gold medals. Innovative practices are being adopted, like inter-institute competitions and exhibitions at the state and national level to exhibit their innovative projects. To motivate young minds, a platform is created where students can showcase their vision of developing innovative projects. Students are being taught through a transformative development experiences through digital mode of teaching filled with activity-based learning apart from classroom teaching. Information task, extension lectures, technical talk from experts, workshops, assignments to the students, presentation, group discussion as part of functional learning. The demand for electronics and communication engineering is increasing exponentially day by day. They can avail job opportunities in a multitude of industries upon successful completion of their degrees. The scope for electronics and communication engineers are quite high in both private and public sectors.